Finally, let me answer the question I've been asked the most over the years: how to learn causal inference. And actually, I'm going to go further than this. I'm going to show you how to learn causal inference from scratch, for free, and on your own. Arguably, causal inference is the most important skills you have to learn today if you are interested into data science for two main reasons. First, almost every decision we make in a company, at the country level, personally, relate on causal assumptions. Hence, it's tremendously useful. It's everywhere. The second reason why it's tremendously useful to know causal inference is because it remains a very niche topic. Very few people are actually expert on this topic. Hence, if you put a little bit of effort, at least to go through the first part that I'm going to show you, you will be able to have a big asset that you can use on the job market, but also that will be useful on your personal life during discussions while you read the news and exchange potentially on social media. This self-study guide is composed only by free resources, and that does not mean that those are secondary resources. Those are the cutting edge best resources that I also recommend to my master students in the universities I teach.